And now, San Diego Connect.
I'm Alex Steiniger. Today we're talking about looking good and doing it in a natural way that helps you look years younger. And Aaron Ziering joins us today from Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center to talk about Botox. It's great to see you, Aaron. So starting with a very basic question, what can you tell us about Botox Cosmetic and how it works?
That's a great question. Botox Cosmetic is a prescription medication used to temporarily improve the look of moderate to severe frown lines, crow's feet, and forehead lines. It delivers a precise and subtle result, keeping you looking young a lot longer. It can soften the muscles to prevent wrinkles, and it smooths out wrinkles you might actually already have.
And so whether somebody's been thinking about it for a while or they're just hearing it now in this conversation, a common question people have is, who is a good candidate for Botox?
Great question. We have patients that are 22 years old that are candidates for Botox Cosmetic, and I have 42-year-old patients that are not a candidate for Botox Cosmetic. But the reality is, if you have moderate to severe lines whenever you make an expression, it might be time for you to come in to see if you're a candidate. You might be surprised at how many people are actually getting Botox Cosmetic because the results look so natural.
Well, and compared to getting, some sort of procedure done, this is a lot less invasive. What can you tell us about its safety, and also, is it FDA approved?
Yes, in fact, tomorrow is actually Botox Cosmetic's 21st anniversary of being FDA approved. At Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, we're celebrating with a party. We're going to have our expert injectors, including myself, on hand to deem whether you're a candidate for Botox Cosmetic. You can come in to our La Jolla or Del Mar locations from 10 to 5 for some Botox and bubbly, and we have a great special going on. We're going to be doing 21 units for $21. So you can come in and see us, bhrcenter.com.
And so many people have been left so happy with the results, feeling, again, years younger, all thanks to you guys. I'm going to let them know the information. Thanks for being here, Aaron. If you want to learn more, go to bhrcenter.com to get more information on this major Botox Cosmetic event happening tomorrow, all day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Del Mar and the La Jolla locations. Again, you can get major savings on lots of different procedures, Botox Cosmetic, Juvederm, and a lot more. Again, Del Mar and La Jolla locations.